The next morning, when Thomas popped into the yard, he had an idea.
If I use my old trucks to take the coal, my new trucks will still look clean and new. That's it.
So Thomas backed up to collect his old trucks.
Come along, come along.
He collected some coal from the coaling plant. Then he raced across the countryside.
I can get these trucks really messy and get the coal to the docks on time. The Fat Controller will say I'm a really useful engine.
Then there was trouble. The rusty coupling broke. Thomas's trucks were rolling by themselves.
Cinders and ashes! The truck coupling broke! I must stop!
Thomas applied his brakes, but he stopped too quickly. The trucks bumped into the back of Thomas and the coal spilled all over the tracks. Thomas was stuck.
Oh no! What will the Fat Controller say now? Oh...